case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard the 1968 case of Norfolk and Western Railway Company v. Missouri State Tax Commission, which centered around the taxation of railroad rolling stock owned by Wabash Railroad Company and leased to the Norfolk and Western Railway Company, a Virginia corporation with interstate rail operations. Missouri attempted to tax the rolling stock using a formula based on the number of miles of road within the state, arguing that this method upheld the Due Process Clause and the Commerce Clause of the Constitution. Norfolk and Western Railway Company, however, contended that the assessment violated these clauses and presented evidence showing that the assessed value was significantly higher than its actual value. The case went to the Supreme Court, where Justice Fortas delivered the majority opinion expressing concerns about state taxation of interstate commercial enterprises. The court upheld the tax assessment on the fixed property of Wabash within the state, but challenged the portion of the assessment relating to rolling stock. Ultimately, the court decided that the mileage formula could not be used to tax property outside a state under enhanced value or goodwill pretenses. It held that states must counter strong evidence from taxpayers that the formula would yield distorted results or make accommodations to maintain their constitutional taxing power. If a taxpayer can prove the formula imposes excessive burden on interstate commerce, they would prevail. This ruling emphasized the need for states to ensure their taxing power remains within constitutional limits and not to reach property beyond their borders through imprecise allocation formulas or by ignoring the peculiarities of a given enterprise.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.